8 friends were there. S, R, M, E, D, and P, H like different types of fruits, orange, guava, and so on. And they were born on different months. Months were given. As the months were given, now let us write down the months at the center. What are the months we have? Jan, Feb, March, Jan, Feb, March, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, and next one, August, September, November. August, September, and November are the 7 months we have. These 7 persons have like different fruits and they were born in different months. Now first we need to identify who were born in which month and at the same time the fruits this person likes. Then coming to condition number 1. What is the information given here related to this one? Condition number 1. He was born in the month which is having least number of days and likes cherries. Least number of days among these months. Least number of days. February will have least number of days and likes what? And likes cherries. He likes cherries and was born in the month of February. One who likes banana born in November. Banana born in November. Hence, the one who born in November likes banana. And next one. And S born in August. And S was born in the month of August. S was born in the month of August. And he do not like grape, lemon, and orange. Now grape is ruled out. Lemon is ruled out. And orange is ruled out. Isn't it? Now this person do not like grape, lemon, and orange. And next one. One who born in September. Now here September do not like guava and lemon. Now guava, lemon is ruled out. Guava and lemon is ruled out. And next one. P does not born in November. P does not born in November and he was born in the month which has 30 days. Now 30 days means P can be either in the month of April or P can be in the month of September. Isn't it? Hence S is here. P is. Now this is E. Cherries. This is the second possible. Now this person likes banana. Done with this? P can be born either in the month of April or in the month of September. Then next one. P does not born in November and he born in the month which has 30 days and but does not like orange, grape, and guava. Now P, orange, grape, and guava are ruled out to this P. Now for this P, orange, grape, and guava. Orange, grape, and guava is ruled out. And next one. Orange, grape, and guava. M does not like guava, lemon, and he was born in the month which has come, which comes immediately after the least number of month. That means M must be in the month of March. M is in the month of March, and M does not like guava and lemon. Now this guava is ruled out, and lemon is also ruled out. And next one. R does not like banana, orange, and grape. R cannot be at this place, isn't it? R does not like banana, grape, and orange, and he does not born before the month of May, and this person born after the month of May. Hence, R must be after May. In the second case, R must be after May means R must be in the month of November, which is not possible. The first case is ruled out. Now we have left with this case only. And next one, R does not like banana, orange, and grape. R does not like banana. Banana is ruled out, and anyhow banana is ruled out. And next one, orange and grape. Orange is ruled out and grape is also ruled out. Now if you take the case of this R, guava, lemon, orange, grape, banana, 5, cherries. 6 were ruled out. Inka manaki migilinadi 2. Apple and pineapple are the only 2 fruits left over, isn't it? Then N likes apple. As N likes apple, this R must like pineapple. R is pineapple. N likes apple. As N likes apple, R must be pineapple. And N must be either in the month of May or in the month of Jan. Then next one. D born in the month which has 31 days but does not like orange and guava. Now D, orange and guava is ruled out. Orange and guava is ruled out to this B. And this person D was born in the month of 31 days. 31 days means if D can be here, or D can be here, two possibilities. And whatever this N here, N likes apple, N can be here or N can be here apple, isn't it? Hence N is apple and D is either orange or guava is not possible. Then who is the only person left over here? And the only person who is left over is H is the person left over. H likes banana. Then coming to this one, pineapple అయిపోయింది, banana, cherry అయిపోయింది, apple also ruled out, isn't it? Then coming to this one, S. What about this S here? If you take the case of this one, grapes, lemon, orange, three were ruled out. Grape, lemon, orange, cherry, pineapple, banana, apple is also ruled out, and this S must like guava. Follow here any? Grape కాదు, లెమన్ కాదు, ఆరెంజ్ కాదు. At the same time, three fruits అయిపోయినాయి. Cherry, pineapple, banana, three fruits అయిపోయినాయి. Apple is D. Hence, 7 fruits were ruled out, and this S must like guava. Whatever this S must like guava. Then guava completed here. Now we were left with the remaining. Now this D. D likes neither orange nor guava. D, neither orange nor guava. Next one, orange cannot be here. Grapes cannot be here. Grapes cannot be here. And guava already completed. Guava already completed. Now cherry is here. Lemon cannot be at this place, isn't it? Lemon cannot be at this place. Then this D must like which one? D ఇంకేం లైక్ చేయాలి చెప్పండి. Now D cannot be orange, cannot be guava. Now D గురించి చూద్దాం. D ఆరెంజ్ కాదు, guava కాదు, 2 fruits అయిపోయినాయి. చెర్రీ, guava, pineapple, banana 4 అయిపోయినాయి. And all together 6 were done. ఈ 6 కాకుండా ఇంకా మనకి మిగిలింది ఏంటి చెప్పండి? యాపిల్. యాపిల్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో రూల్డ్ అవుట్. Hence this D must like grapes. Whatever this D, D must like grapes. Hence D ఇక్కడ ఉంటే గ్రేప్స్ ఇక్కడ రావాలి, ఇక్కడ D ఉంటే ఇక్కడ గ్రేప్స్ రావాలి. ఇక్కడ D ఉన్నాడు అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ N రావాలి, N అయితే యాపిల్. ఇక్కడ D ఉంటే ఇక్కడ N రావాలి, N అంటే యాపిల్. Hence grapes and apple can be in any order, grape and apple. Then now lemon and the other fruit. Lemon cannot be here, and this P must like lemon, isn't it? If P likes lemon, and what is the other thing left over here? Orange. This M likes orange. You know, this is the final arrangement we have. Then tell me the person who likes guava. The person who likes guava is S, the person who likes guava, that is choice 3, question number 31. Then coming to 32, who had born in the month of January? January, either D or N. D or N, either 1 or 2. It is not A or B, it is 1 or 2. Choice 5 is the answer, question number 32. Then coming to 33. Now in this 33, which one is correct in below options? P lemon November, that is false. And M guava March, M guava, M March is 2, but it is not guava. N apple May, N maybe May or maybe Jan, that is we cannot definitely say it is correct. D grape January, D grape January may be true or may not be true. Hence what is your answer here? Choice 5. We cannot definitely say anything is definitely true among the given choices. Then next one, question number 34. Who is born in the month of May? May lo puttiన వాళ్ళు ఎవరు చెప్పండి? Either D or N. Either N or D. And it is given in choice 5, question number 34. Then coming to question number 35 here. Who likes orange? Now the person who likes orange is M. M likes orange, that is choice 4, question number 35.